In this video, I'm going to show you how to find templates for CapCut. Basically, it's pretty easy. I will show you two ways how you can do this. So just follow the steps I do. So the first way we can do is just to open our browser, any browser we want, and then just input in a search bar something like this, CapCut template. Yeah, basically that's all we need. After that, just find the CapCut.net website. This is the official website, so we can open it here. And after that, we can find a lot of different templates here. We can input the name of the template we want, for example, AI or others. So just find the necessary one we want to use. So to use it, all we need is just to click on the necessary one, then just open our CapCut right up here. So just click on open. And now we can just use it in our CapCut. Just click on use template, choose the necessary clips, and then just click on preview. After that, everything is ready and this template will be successfully used for us. Basically, yeah, it looks like this. So the second way we can do is just to use our TikTok app. So all we need is just to go to TikTok here, and then in the right top corner, click on search, and here we need to input something like this, like CapCut templates, basically, yeah. So after that, we can find the necessary templates. For example, if we open some videos, we can see the CapCut try this template button in the near the description, so we can just click here. Some accounts, they just show us different templates. For example, this one, we can find the template we want. As you can see, all of videos here are with templates, so we can just click and use the necessary template, which I think is pretty cool. So just click on CapCut, use this template, use template in CapCut, and after that everything is ready. Use template once more. So then just click on necessary videos, click on preview, and as you can see, everything is ready for our CapCut. We can click on export, we can post it on our TikTok account. Basically, it doesn't matter. So yeah, this is a way how you can do this. Just input in a search bar in a TikTok. If you want some specific CapCut template, you can just import, for example, AI CapCut. I think everything is okay, so we can just click here. No, it's not. Yeah, so as you can see, we can just click on CapCut try this template, and this template will be successfully added to our CapCut. Yeah, basically. I hope, guys, this video was useful for you. If it is, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and watch my other tutorials. Goodbye.